Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to make money on Amazon. There are numerous ways how you can use Chatgpt to make money online, and today we'll be going over a few of these options. For example, you could use Chatgpt to do product research on Amazon if you are planning to sell products on Amazon. Or you could use Chatgpt to create an affiliate website just like this one right here. Or you could use Chatgpt to create YouTube videos just like these, and you'll be able to get views every day, and you'll also be able to promote Amazon affiliate products just like what they are doing in these videos. And once persons watch your video and click on the link in the description, you'll be able to get a commission from Amazon. And the reason why Amazon affiliate program is so popular is definitely not because of the commission rate. As you can see that on average you'll be able to get 4% commission, while that tends to be very low compared to other affiliate programs. The reason why Amazon affiliate program is so popular is one, Amazon is a trusted brand. So once you're promoting an Amazon product, there is a higher probability that you will get a customer to purchase. Two, Amazon offers a 30-day cookie period. So that means that if someone were to click on your link and wait up to 30 days before making a purchase, you will still be able to get a commission. And third, also if they were to click on your link and go onto Amazon and not buy the product that you recommended, you will still be able to get a commission. It doesn't matter what product they are, whatever they purchase on Amazon, you will still be able to get a commission. So they don't have to purchase the direct product that you recommend. Once they go onto Amazon and make a purchase, you will be able to get a commission. So now let me show you how to use Chatgpt and Amazon to start making some money online. So the first thing I did was go onto Chatgpt and I typed in this prompt right here about blenders. As I recently did a search, as I said, on the best blenders, and I asked Chatgpt to write an article for me. And with Chatgpt, the better you're able to describe what you would like it to do, is the better its response will be. And this is very important as you want it to be SEO friendly. So I typed in write an article including headers and subheading about the 5 best blenders for smoothies, including most quiet blenders and most affordable. And this is what it came up with right here. After Chatgpt came up with the article, all I did was tap on copy. And after I copied the article, I went onto this platform by the name of zerogpt.com. And the reason why I went onto this platform is able to detect OpenAI text. And I have heard rumors, I don't know if it is true or not, that if your article is written by AI, it tends not to rank on Google. So I use this platform to check if the article will pass the AI test. And as you can see right here, it passed the AI test with flying colors. You can see that it got a ratings of 7.8% AI GPT, and it shows that your text is most likely human written. And another thing that you could do, if it shows a higher ratings that it is more than likely written by AI, I would recommend that you go onto quillbot.com. And Quillbot is a paraphrasing website. So all you would have to do is paste in the content that you get from Chatgpt, and it will paraphrase it, and then you can copy the paraphrase section. So now you can see how I would use Chatgpt to create an article for my blog if I were to create a website and start doing affiliate programs. After you have done that, all you would need to do is go onto your search bar, and from there you could type in Amazon affiliate program and you could sign up. Once you are signed up to Amazon affiliate program, once you have entered a product, for example this blender right here, you will realize that you get an additional bar at the top. So all you would have to do is tap on get link in the top left hand corner. Then from there you could copy your affiliate link. Once you have copied your affiliate link, you would simply paste the article that you have gotten from Chatgpt. As you can see that this was their number 5 recommended product. So all you would have to do is paste the link right here, and once someone clicks on the link on your website, you will be able to get a commission. Also, when it comes on to Amazon affiliate program, to get a video or so on, it's quite easy. All you have to do is download the videos right here. There are numerous free plugins that you can use, and you can easily get the photos also if you want to put on your website. Another thing that I would also recommend that you do is create a YouTube channel on which you create similar videos compared to your website. So for example, you could create a video on the top 5 smoothie blenders, just like what you see here. As you can see, for a simple video just like this, using videos that they are clippings, better yet, that they have gotten from Amazon, this channel right here is able to get 204 views per day. This channel is able to get 204 views per day on this video. So you can see that if they are getting a conversion of 2 or 3, they are still able to make a good amount of money per day of one video. And you can see that this video right here is getting an average view of 439 per day. So you can definitely create a YouTube channel and you will be able to make money with Amazon affiliate program. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.